Hello, and welcome to MyBrary AI, your online library for all the online content you like or want to save at one place. Have you ever felt frustrated when you want to go back to a link on the internet you liked, but don't remember where you saved it or bookmarked it? Sometimes on your browser, sometimes on Instagram, and sometimes on WhatsApp text. MyBrary is here to solve that problem, where you can save all your links to all the amazing content that you come across on any platform with one click on your phone or laptop. Download the app or the Chrome plugin. Today, I'll walk you through how easy it is to sign up, log in, and save links, notes, and documents. To get started, go to the MyBrary homepage and click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a password, and confirm your account through the email we send you. Use one-time password for faster login. Once activated, log in by clicking Login and entering your details. After you're in your dashboard, you can begin saving your content. To save a link, click Save Link, paste the URL, add a title or tags, and hit Save. To create a note, click New Note, type or paste your text, add a title or tags, and save it. You can also upload documents by selecting Upload File, choosing your file, and adding any details you want. Use folders or tags like Work, Reading, or Projects to stay organized and find anything instantly with the search bar or filters. I hope you found it helpful and that you're ready to start saving and organizing with ease. Welcome again to MyBrary, and see you in the next video. MyBrary, your online library for all favorite online content across all platforms and devices, so that you don't have to get frustrated remembering where you saw your favorite video about Travis Scott.